Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Wyatt Leopard Chelsea boots are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Every pair of Wyatt Leopard Chelsea boots begins with carefully selected premium materials, arriving at our factory with precision and care.
Every cut is carefully planned, ensuring each boot has perfectly aligned leopard patterns.
Soles are prepared with precision, ensuring comfort, durability, and perfect alignment with the upper leather.
Each hide is unpacked and inspected for quality, making sure every pattern is flawless before production.
This batch is ready for the next step.
Wait, look at the stitching here on the leopard print.
Here's the next stack.
Thanks. Almost full here.
Watch the forklift coming through. Move those pallets closer to the line.
Thanks for watching!